Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply not working. So first, when you open your Instagram app and then go ahead and open that messenger icon at the top right corner, you will be headed to your chats. So for example, I will go right here on these chats, and if you wanna reply, you just use that swipe to reply. So sometimes it is not working. Well, all you need to do is just drag that photo or that message, and we'll do it slowly and then swipe it to the right until that message shows up at the bottom. So you just try that one, just grab and try to swipe from left to right. So until it shows up right here, the message. Or maybe you can tap and hold that message or photos. So if we tap and hold, and it will show up the reply option. So that's how you basically fix that swipe reply not working on your Instagram chat. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like to this video and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.